This is a simplification problem where I'm told I need to simplify this large expression and turn it into one of these smaller expressions. And if you notice, those smaller expressions are either fractions that are a single fraction or not a fraction at all. And you can imagine that being something like, I don't know, b squared plus d squared divided by 1. So it kind of is a fraction. But the point is, none of the things that I'm simplifying this towards are multiple fractions. And in order to get this expression, which I'm given, into a single fraction, I need common denominators. And I don't have them right now. So let's go ahead and turn this into a single fraction through addition with common denominators. So here's what I'm given. B plus d over b plus b minus d over d. And what do we have to multiply this by? Well, if I want common denominators, I need a b and a d on the bottom. So the fraction on the left needs a pair of d's. The fraction on the right needs a pair of b's. Notice I'm not changing the actual value of these fractions. I'm just changing how they look by multiplying them by some kind of a 1. B over b is just equal to 1. So we go through the addition now, or the multiplication, and what do we get? Well, it's bd plus d squared over bd. And on the right side, I've got b squared minus bd over bd. So now we add them together because they have a similar denominator. We can now just smush them, and you get one big fraction over bd, and it's bd plus d squared plus b squared minus bd. In this particular example, we've got some things to cancel out, right? bd cancels out with negative bd. So you get d squared plus b squared over bd. And which one of our options is it? Looks like it's equivalent to this one. Just in a slightly different order, but that's the idea. We're using common denominators in this problem.